Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the book cover and your sticker sheet. Make sure the surface is clean and completely dry because adhesion depends on that. Once done, lay stickers face up on the cover to test positions. This avoids repositioning later. Use a ruler and pencil to mark alignment lightly if you want symmetry. Tweezers make precise placement easier. Don't peel yet. This planning step saves time and prevents bubbles, and it gives you a clear order for the first quick placements. Now that your layout is decided, peel a small part of the sticker backing and anchor it to the cover. This gives you control and prevents misalignment. Press the center first, then smooth outward with a flat card or squeegee to push out air. This avoids bubbles and ensures full contact. If layering stickers, overlap minimally so edges stick. Make sure each layer is pressed down well. If a corner peels up, lift carefully and re-squeegee. Patience here ensures a clean, durable finish. To finish, check all edges and press them down firmly. You can optionally add a clear adhesive strip or laminate for extra protection. Trim any excess sticker with a sharp blade and a ruler for a neat border. If you spot small bubbles or wrinkles, gently heat the area with a hairdryer on low for a few seconds and smooth with your card. Heat makes the adhesive more forgiving. If a sticker lifts badly, replace it with a new one. Keep extra stickers for touch-ups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.